Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha, and if you want to learn this clean girl makeup look in 5 minutes, then stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to use this aloe vera rose cream or gel on my face to hydrate my skin. It's a light gel, and yeah, it does not give a lot of oiliness to the face. So now I'm going to do my clean girl eye makeup using my favorite palette, and I'm going to take this darker shade, and the idea is to go minimal on the eyes and of course on your overall makeup, but yeah, you should look classy, and that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna make a wink with it. Let me use my mirror so I hope I can see. So god damn it, there's a cat fight again. Probably need to take more amount. You just stamp it actually. And that's it. I think I've like dragged it a bit farther than I intended to. Okay, and that's it. That's it. That's it. As simple as that. And now for the lid, I'm going to take this lighter shade and just a little bit, and then just to my finger, just dot 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 dot. Not much, okay? Because it's so light, you can like, it's like barely anything. But yeah, just for the sake of so that it looks uniform, it does not look out of place, the liner, I will use this. But yeah, you can totally skip it. So we are basically done with our eye makeup, as simple as that. And now for the foundation, I'll use this foundation. It's a very light foundation and really good for acne prone oily skin, and it comes in really handy. It's like a very slim sort of tube. I've done this review, you can just check it out on my link over here. So I'm going to use it like very little. You can actually skip it, and I have actually done a video in which I've shown that you can actually do natural makeup without using any foundation. Again, you can just check it out on my link over here. So yeah, it's going to be like very little. You don't need much, because the idea is to make people believe that, oh, we are so natural beautiful, we haven't used anything. Like how our fathers actually used to brainwash our mothers. So it comes with a blender at the back. So just blend, 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 blend. So you can just see that it hasn't done like it's a very thin layer, and it will just improve the texture of your skin a little bit better. And if you want to skip it, you can just skip it. I don't give a shit. But I really like it. It's a really nice foundation for acne prone skin because it has a very light coverage and it stays a very long time and gives a natural finish. So you can just tell everyone that, hey, I haven't used any makeup, and they'll believe it. Why does our fathers used to brainwash our mothers when we were young? Like, you don't need any makeup. Like, why do they say it? Because they don't want to spend their money on makeup. So it's a technique of the guys that they tell the females that you don't need it, but don't listen to them. Use it if you really want to. Okay, so it's a really nice blender at the back, and you can blend really easily with it. And now for the concealer, I'm going to use this foundation as a concealer. It's a darker foundation from Ingrid Cosmetics. It's an HD foundation. Oops. And I have done its review. You can check it out again from here. And you can use any other darker foundation of your choice. So I'm going to use where I have marks on my face and where I'm getting pimples actually to hide it. So like here, 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 here. Okay, and here. You can see. And now I'm gonna like blend it with the same brush. And then just pat it with my finger. Okay, like so, pat it. And don't worry if you think that, oh, it's a darker shade and it's visible, because it's going to blend really well in the skin. And when I'm going to use a powder on top of it, then nobody can tell that you have used a concealer. So only in those places where you are having any imperfection. Okay, it's a really beautiful matte HD foundation, and it's better than any concealer that I've used so far, like the Tarte or Max Factor or even Elegirl. Although I love Elegirl, but I think it's better than anything else that I've used so far on my acne prone oily skin. And it's a matte foundation, so it just settles on that places where there's imperfection. It doesn't budge, and that's the best part. So you can see that all the marks are gone. I'm naturally flawless. So I'm going to set it with a setting powder from Laura Mercier, making sure that all the things, liquid things, foundation and the concealer that I've used are like settled well into the skin. And yeah, make sure before using the powder that it's blended perfectly. Otherwise, a setting powder is going to make creases on your face. And now if you want, you can use highlighter under the eyes to cancel out any darkness. But for me, because I'm going with the clean girl makeup, I would let it be like that. All right, otherwise it's gonna look like that I've used a lot of makeup. So yeah, just a little bit of imperfection is fine, right? It's okay, so that you don't get any evil eye. So I'm gonna just let it like so. All right, and now let's move on with the blush and first the contour actually. So I'm going to use a lighter shade of blush. It's from Wet n Wild color Icon blush, and I'm going to use it as a contour, because basically we are actually going with the clean girl makeup for brown skin. And you can see that it looks so good. It looks so natural. Use it like on the usual places. I'm not going with the harsher, darker uh, blush, because yeah, of course, I don't want it to be dramatic. Just whenever you're doing your makeup, just remember that for what purpose you're doing it. It will give you the perspective, and then you'll use products accordingly. So you can see that the contour has actually added a little bit of a structure to my face, and my cheekbones look much more chiseled than before. It's like very subtle, but it has added a lot of difference to my makeup and to my face, obviously. And with the same brush, I'm going to use this pink Dolly blush. So it's gonna look really pretty. Actually, it is looking really pretty in the real life. I don't know if the camera can pick up, but you can just see that it has added a little bit of a healthy glow to my face. And that's it. Don't use a lot of product. But I have used a lot of products. The quantity needs to be way less, alright? So the idea is to use different products, but don't use them in a very um, large quantity. All right, it has to be very minimal. It has to be very subtle. It has to be very classy to make you look gorgeous. So yeah, we are done with it. If you really wanted, you can use the highlighter, but I think I should skip it. Or maybe I should use it too. Not much, very less. That's it. That's it. That's that's it on the lips. That's it on the cheekbone. Make sure everything is smooth and blended, and we're done with the face makeup. And now the lips, we are basically done with the face. I think it looks fine. I'm not going to use any mascara today because yeah, I don't feel like but feel free to use mascara if you want to, but I think it looks really well with the natural clean girl makeup. So for the lips, there are two ways I'll show you how you can do it. First is the lip balm. Use any brown peachy lip balm. For the lips, I'm going to use this chubby stick from Clinique. So you can see that how beautiful it looks, especially if you're going with a natural nude makeup or brown makeup or subtle makeup. But yeah, I'll show you another way in which you can create your lips for the clean girl makeup look. First, we'll remove this, and I'm going to use this lip liner from NYX. It's basically called Urban Pepper. So you can see, don't worry about creating the perfect lines. You don't want it. Just to make sure that the lipstick stays longer. And now I'm going to use a liquid lip gloss. And this lip gloss is from Ingrid Cosmetics. Really pretty shade. I really love it. So yeah, this is the two ways in which you can do your lipsticks. So yeah, it's much more for the dramatic side. That one was much more on the natural side. So yeah, we are basically done with the makeup. So this brings us to the end of our video, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video and I hope that you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed creating it. And this is a very easy clean girl makeup look, especially for brown girl beauties out there. And yeah, you can just wear it on an everyday basis, and skip the foundation if you want to, and you will look gorgeous. Yeah, and if you want to know more, you can go to my blog aishawblogs.com, and you can purchase the products from there and from my description as well. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao.